we call a dinosaur sensation. Barney's friends are big and small, they come from lots of places. After school they meet to play and sing with happy faces. Barney shows us lots of things like how to play pretend, ABCs and 1, 2, 3s and how to be a friend. Barney comes to play with us whenever we may need him. Barney can be your friend too if you just make believe him.
Okay, just remember, I'm gonna go see Curtis and Mom will pick you up, okay?
Okay.
Hey, Emily.
Hi, Hannah.
How are you guys doing?
What are you guys doing? We're looking at the clouds. Wow, can I watch with you?
Sure, come on up.
Hannah, I'm supposed to meet Curtis in the treehouse. Can Linda stay here with you until Mom comes to pick her up?
Sure.
Thanks, guys. See you later, Linda.
Okay, bye.
Look, see how the clouds make different shapes as they go by?
They look like cotton candy. Or like big, fluffy pillows.
What do you think that one over there looks like?
That one? I know. A big vanilla ice cream cone. I love ice cream. There's our Mom. Gotta go. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Ah, this is a great day.
It sure is.
It's a great day, a beautiful day, the kind of day that makes me want to say, I'm glad that I'm alive, I'm happy to be me, and that's the way to be. See how the clouds go drifting by, see how the sun lights up the sky. On a day like this, summer, winter, fall, or spring, it makes me want to sing. It's a great day, a beautiful day, the kind of day that makes me want to say, I'm glad that I'm alive, I'm happy to be me, and that's the way to be. See all the colors of the world, see all your friends, each boy and girl.
On a day like this, when it's great to work or play, it makes me want to say,
It's a great day, a beautiful day, the kind of day that makes me want to say, I'm glad that I'm alive, I'm happy to be me, and that's the way to be. I'm glad that I'm alive, I'm happy to be me, and that's the way to be.
Hannah, look at that cloud.
Which one?
That one. It looks just like you know who.
Who?
Me! Oh, hi there! Oh, hi, Hannah. Hello, Emily. What are you doing?
We've been watching the clouds. We thought one of them looked like you.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see something else. Those clouds look like rain clouds.
They're not white and fluffy anymore.
Maybe we should go inside.
Oh, that's a good idea, Emily. Let's go.
It's starting to get a little bit cloudy, Captain.
The wind is blowing harder. We better land soon.
Let's land in that grassy area over there.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, hi there, guys. Well, sounds like you were having lots of fun up here.
That's right, Barney. We were pretending to be airplane pilots.
But we can have even more fun playing now that you're here.
Well, thank you, Curtis. I just love playing together with my friends. I like to run and jump and play. There's so many things to do. I like it even better when it's with a friend or two.
Being together with friends is what I like to do. Being together with friends, together the whole day through. Any day, any time, day or night, rain or shine, together with friends like you. Every day Being together with friends. Together the whole day through. Any day, anytime, day or night, rain or shine. Together with friends like you.
Being together with friends is what I like to do.
Being together with friends. Together the whole day through.
Yup.
Any day, anytime, day or night, rain or shine. Together with friends like you. Being together with friends like you.
Being together with friends is what I like to do. Hey, Miss Anna, it's fun being with friends.
Why, yes, my dear Scooter, especially friends like you.
Yeah, friends like you, too.
Why, what a lovely thing to say, Sugar. Oh, you're a dear sweet squirrel.
Aw, you're a great friend, Miss Anna. Yeah.
Paper, rock, scissors. Paper, rock, scissors.
You know what, Chip? It looks like rain.
It doesn't just look like rain. It is rain. Time to go inside.
I'm right behind you.
Whoa, we made it just in time.
We sure did. Here comes the rain. Hey, what's this? Hey guys, the treehouse is leaking. Leaking!
That's right. There's 1 drop, 2 drops, 3 drops.
4 drops, 5 drops, more drops than I can count.
Quick, let's get something to catch them.
No, hurry. Oh, my. Oh, goodness. Kerplink. Kerplop. Kerplink. Kerplop. Kerplink. Kerplop. Kerplink. Kerplop. For the flowers and the trees and the fishes in the seas, the raindrops drop all around, helping rivers flow and your garden grow as they fall from the sky to the ground.
When the rain goes kerplop and the animals stop at a pool for a nice cool drink. They are just like you, they get thirsty too. But you get your water from a sink. And the rain can make a puddle, so the birds can splash all around. Taking a bath and chirping away.
Singing happily to the raindrops when they make this sound.
Kerplink, kerplop, kerplink, kerplop, kerplink, kerplop, kerplink, kerplop.
When the sun goes away and the clouds turn gray and the rain kerplops in your eyes, if it makes you sad, you will soon be glad. Look down and you'll see a fun surprise.
For the rain can make a puddle,
So the birds can splash all around.
taking a bath and chirping away.
Singing happily to the raindrops when they make this sound. Kerplink, kerplop, kerplink, kerplop. In those puddles I love to hop. I don't care if it never stops. How I love the raindrops! Ooh.
I guess those were rain clouds we saw earlier.
And they sure are making a lot of rain.
Did you know that all clouds are made up of lots of teeny tiny water droplets?
I didn't know that.
Oh,
But all clouds aren't rain clouds, are they, Barney?
oh, you're right, Chip. Before rain can fall, the little water droplets in those clouds must grow much bigger.
How do they do that, Barney?
Well, they grow bigger by bumping into each other and joining together. And when they get too heavy to stay in the cloud, they begin to fall, making rain.
There sure is a lot of rain falling now.
Oh, I wish it would stop raining.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Barney's friends all want to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Barney's friends all want to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Hey, it looks like the rain has stopped.
Maybe now is a good time to go to the classroom to play.
We better get down there before it starts raining again.
Don't forget these.
Oh, yeah, like the umbrellas.
Here you go.
Wouldn't it be fun to pretend that the rain was made of cookies and candy and ice cream?
Oh boy, what a delicious rain that would be. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. Ah, 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 ah. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Hey, what if it snowed candy bars and milkshakes? If all the snowflakes were candy bars and milkshakes, oh, what a snow that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. Ah, 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 ah. If all the snowflakes were candy bars and milkshakes, oh, what a snow that would be. Yum! Oh, just imagine lemon drops and gumdrops. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Yes, indeed. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be.
Uh-oh, it looks like it's going to rain again. And I wanted to roller skate this afternoon.
So much for soccer practice.
It's not very good bike riding weather either.
I guess we're going to have to stay inside for a while. What can we do now?
Oh, I'm so glad you asked. Why, there are lots of fun things to do on a rainy day. What can we play on a rainy day? Till the sun comes out and the clouds go away. We can still have fun if the sky is gray when we play on a rainy day.
Let's put together some puzzles. Build a castle with wood and blocks. We could play, I wish.
Teach the dog new tricks.
Or make a big clubhouse out of a box.
What can we play on a rainy day? Till the sun comes out and the clouds go away. We can still have fun if the sky is gray when we play on a rainy day. Pretend we're on a raft in the ocean. Draw a picture of a shiny new car.
We could tell some stories, read some books, take a trip on a ship to a faraway star.
What can we play on a rainy day? Till the sun comes out and the clouds go away. We can still have fun if the sky is gray when we play on a rainy day. It's fun on a rainy day.
Hey! Sounds like a storm is coming. Look at all this stuff going around. Hey, look! Here comes Baby Bob! Baby Bob, come on!
Oh, come on, baby Pop. Come on. Come on.
I can get in the door. I'm Baby Bob.
Hi, baby Pop.
Hi. Oh, it is windy.
Oh, well, you came in just in time, baby Bop. Looks like it's about to rain.
You can play inside with us. Okay, thank you. Oh, that thunder is so loud.
Oh, you're right. Thunder does make a loud noise to let us know a rainstorm is coming.
Oh, but I don't want it to rain. I want to play outside.
Oh, I know, baby Bop, but rain is very important. Everything needs rain to grow, like fruits and vegetables and trees and flowers.
And people and animals need rain for water to drink.
Well, that's right, Chip.
Oh, whoa. The thunder still scares me.
Oh.
That's okay, Baby Bop. Thunder used to scare me, too.
Oh, I used to be afraid, but not anymore.
Thunder used to scare me,
so scary at all. Oh, I used to be afraid, but not anymore.
Rainstorms used to scare me.
But that was before Barney taught me that the things that used to bother me really aren't so scary at all. No, they're not so scary at all. Oh, I used to be afraid, but not anymore.
Lightning used to scare me.
But that was before Barney taught me that the things that used to bother me really aren't so scary at all. No, they're not so scary at all. Oh, I used to be afraid, but not anymore.
Whoa, oh, thunder used to scare me.
But that was before Barney taught me that the things that used to bother me really aren't so scary at all. No, they're not so scary at all. No, they're not so scary at all.
No, no.
Oh, I'm not scared anymore.
You don't have to be.
Boy, it sure is breezy up here today.
My, oh my, what a storm. I do believe it has ruffled my feathers.
Hey, look what you did to my umbrella.
Oh dear, I do believe your umbrella has taken a turn for the worse.
Whoa!
Used to be afraid of rainstorms, but not then.
Yeah.
Well, I think the storm is past.
Maybe the sun will come out soon. I can't wait to go outside and play.
I can't wait for a snack. I'm hungry.
Oh, I'm hungry too.
Come on, Baby Bop. Let's go see if we can find a snack for everyone.
Okay.
That's
Bye,
nice of
guys.
you, Susan. Stella! Hi there. Did you get caught in the rainstorm?
Well, actually, I've been visiting friends in the rainforest. And a good raincoat is very important because it rains a lot in the rainforest.
Does it rain every day?
Just about. And all that rain helps the many plants to grow. And the plants make a wonderful forest home for many kinds of animals and insects. And of course, beautiful flowers.
Stella, it's been raining here today.
I can see that. And all that rain reminds me of a story. Would you like to hear it?
Oh, yeah.
Great. But I'm going to need just a little help getting something out of my suitcase. Would you help me, please, Curtis?
At your service.
Wonderful. Let me see. Stand, please. That's got it. Thank you, Curtis.
You're welcome. What is that, Stella?
This is a rain stick from the Amazon rainforest. Listen.
Wow, it sounds just like rain.
That's right, Curtis. It sounds like the gentle rain of the rainforest. Listen to the raindrops as they fall. Listen to the parrot as she calls to all her friends living in the rainforest. Listen to the raindrops all day long. Listen to the froggy sing his song to all his friends living in the rainforest. Listen to the raindrops drip, drip, drip. Listen to the monkey skip, skip, skip with all his friends living in the rainforest. Listen to the raindrops as they hit the ground. Listen to that happy, peaceful sound of all our friends living in the rainforest. Listen to the raindrops fall so slow. Look, there's the sun and a bright rainbow for all our friends living in the rainforest. Just listen, for this story has come to the end.
Thank you, Stella.
Could you help me again, please, Curtis?
Sure.
That was a terrific story, Stella.
Well, thank you. And you all are such good listeners.
Oh, my.
Well, I must be on my way.
Okay.
It's time I found some dry land.
Oh.
Onward to the desert.
Okay, so bye-bye, Stella. Bye-bye.
Barney, do you think we'll
see a rainbow today?
Well, if the sun begins to shine, we might just see one.
I don't see the sun shining yet. Hey, I know. Let's make our own rainbow.
Oh, that's a great idea, Emily. Oh, come on. Oh, boy.
Oh, I like red. It's the color of an apple. Orange. It's the color of an orange. Yellow. It's a lemon and our wonderful sun, sun, sun. Green. It's the color of trees and lots of things that grow.
And then there's blue for the sky, and purple, that's a color that's fun, fun, fun.
And when we put those colors side by side, now what do you think we've done? We've made a rainbow, and it's a really beautiful one. One, one, oh, I like red. It's the color of an apple. Orange. It's the color of an orange. Yellow. It's a lemon and our wonderful sun, sun, sun. Green. It's the color of trees and lots of things that grow. And then there's blue for the sky, and purple, that's a color that's fun, fun, fun.
And when we put those colors side by side, now what do you think we've done?
We've made a rainbow.
We've made a rainbow. We've made a rainbow.
And it's a really beautiful one.
Hey, everybody, it stopped raining.
Oh, boy.
Did you see it? Did you see it?
See what, Baby Bop?
The sun? No, the rainbow.
Oh, sure, Baby Bop. We just made lots of paper rainbows and put them around the classroom.
Oh, that's not what I mean.
There's another rainbow.
Uh-huh. There's a big, pretty rainbow outside. Come on, I'll show you. Hurry. Oh, hurry. See, it's so pretty.
Oh, that's a super deep, duper rainbow.
Oh, Barney, it's such a pretty rainbow. I want BJ to see it.
Oh, you're right, Baby Bop. BJ would love to see it.
Well, then I better go now, so I can tell him all about the rainbow and the thunder and the rain and all that.
Bye-bye, Baby Bop. So long.
This was a great day, Barney. I had lots of fun.
Even with the rain.
Well, remember, rain helps keep plants and animals healthy and growing. And it's great for friends, too.
Friends?
Oh, sure. Rainy days are great days to spend with friends like you. I love you. You love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
I love you. You love me. We're best friends like friends should be. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
Chip, look what I made.
Oh, hi there, Linda. Oh, that's quite a mud pie you've made.
Thanks, Barney. I just love to play in the mud.
Oh, I can see that.
Come on, Linda. Let's go home and get you cleaned up. See you later, guys.
Bye-bye. So long.
I guess I better get going too. We might have soccer practice after all.
Oh, okay. So long.
Bye, Barney.
See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
That rainbow was really pretty.
Hey, everybody. It's time for Barney Says.
Hello again to all my friends. I'm glad you came to play. Our fun and learning never end. Here's what we did today. Wasn't it fun watching the clouds to see what neat shapes they made? And we had lots of fun playing together in the treehouse, even when it started to rain. We pretended the rain was made of cookies, candy, and ice cream. Yum, yum! But sometimes rainstorms can be a little bit too loud. Stella told us a story about the animals in the rainforest. And we made colorful rainbows. They really brightened our day. Oh, I just love a beautiful rainbow. And remember, I love you.